So, tell me, if you were here, would you really want to go home? I mean, that's the thing. We've been here all day, and since this morning, it's really been nice. Although we spent the afternoon indoors. Yeah, would you believe with this weather we spent the afternoon indoors? Went out boating this morning, spent 2-3 hours out there, towed a boat, practiced a man overboard, got checked off for 3-year quals. It was really nice. Back here before 2 o'clock, actually by 1 o'clock. So we spent the afternoon watching the Patriots and the Bills play. Thought we were going to lose it there at the end. It was really kind of close what was going on. And then got the update that the Red Sox won, so that was good too. So I got to ask you, would you really want to go home? Tell me. Could stay here, or yeah, that's no swimming allowed. It's breezy. It's really breezy.
So how was the mushroom?
The mushrooms were excellent. Thank you very much. The mushrooms, the chips, the wings, everything was great. And the final score was good too.
The what?
The final score. Yeah, not everybody's boat to the water. Not everybody. Some people have already hauled up. They said the season's over. With weather like this, how can you say the season's over? I tried an experiment the other day, and I found out that horizontal works. At least it works for Periscope. The only thing is when I uploaded this to YouTube, the landscape didn't flip. So the landscape was all twisted. But here we are. So you people that are watching it on Periscope, and there, what have I got? I've got one person watching it. It looks okay. But later on, when I upload this, it's gonna be it's gonna look really weird on YouTube. Yeah, we got some nice here. So I'm gonna go back. See, it flips over real easy. Okay. So I'm gonna say good afternoon to all of you, and we'll see you on the flip side.